Yo guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legend. Today we are here in Stepney Green in the London Borough of Tower Hamlets. So without further ado, let's take off. So we're in E1 right now, and let's make sure we don't hit the trees. Gonna go up to the max height, and then we're just gonna explore Stepney Green and how it looks like. Then we're gonna do a 360-degree photo, and we're gonna just explore this area. So we go up to the max height, we'll do a 360-degree photo. See what's below us. As you can see, nice sunny day here in spring now. It's a bit windy, but it's not as windy. And as soon as I said that, a strong gust just came. Literally, it could not have come at the worst time. I mean, it's only a very small gust, 60-mile-an-hour gust, but most of the time it's calm like this. Alright, so 360-degree photo is now complete. Let's just zip around this area. So let's just explore Stepney Green. So where should we go first? I've flown in this borough before. I flew in Whitechapel in this London borough of Tower Hamlets. So we're in E1 right now, next to the city right now. So let's just see where to explore. Let's go to this area. There's tower blocks in this area. So we'll just go towards down there. And down there towards the River Thames side. Let's go towards the River Thames side and see what's down there. Let's go towards this area down there. Let's go towards the river. I won't go as far, but we're here now. Look at that nice shot. We're so close to the River Thames. Look, there's a DLR train coming right now. Let's get a shot of that. Look at that amazing shot. Let's get a shot of the boats area. Look at that amazing shot. We'll just go down to here. We won't go as far as the river. We won't go to the other side, but we'll just go down to here. Let's get a shot in this area. Amazing shot, literally unrivaled. What we're gonna do, I'm just gonna come back now. Let's get a nice shot. Let's explore Stepney. We're actually near an area called Chadwell. It's not far from there. I've driven straight down right there. Let's get a shot of the bus down there. Just come back now. We'll explore the north side of Stepney. So we go towards this area down there. Let's explore the east side. Nice area to fly in sunny Tower Hamlets. Let's go down towards this area. I might even set another drone flight, go somewhere else in London. Probably somewhere in I'll see where to go. Because I've got a second battery charged, Mini 3 battery. This is my Mini 4 battery. Solar charged, by the way, so this battery is completely charged by the power of the sun, so completely solar charged. Recently, most of our drone flights are solar charged. Let's get a shot of this castle area. Look at that. Amazing shot. Let's get to the centre of it. Let's get a nice centre shot. I don't know what building that is, but we'll start coming back now towards this area. Looks like there's a pitch in this area. Let's go down towards here. You know what? There's a building down there. I was actually looking at that building. I was thinking I could take my drone to that, but that's actually quite far. That's actually in Canary Wharf, which is not far from where we are. And it's in the same borough. So you get a shot of this top of this tower block. See what's the tower block saying. What we'll do, we'll just go a little bit down towards here. Let's get a shot of the streets. Stepney. Let's go down there, almost towards the riverside. Let's come back now, we've been there. Let's go down towards this area down here. A little bit of strong wind, but it's nothing that our Mini 3 Pro can handle. Where is this now? DLR station of Limehouse. We're actually not far. All these areas are not far. Like when you go into inner London, all the areas are not far from each other. Let's go down towards this area down here. Let's get a tour of down there. Look at that nice building. That's what we got a tour before. See that right here? We're getting side winds. The wind is blowing our drone back. It's not even that much strong though. Look at that. Amazing shot. I want to go to the north side now of Stepney. Go towards this area now. Go towards a bit of a strong wind. What area should we go to now? Should we go down to here? Let's go down to here. So in this area we got main station of Stepney Green towards there. And we go down to this road. We'll explore this road right now. Look at that. Amazing shot. Where else should we explore? We can go down towards there. We're near Mile End now. Mile End's towards down there. What do you come back now towards Syria? Get a tour of the cars down there. Get a shot of this area. A lot of bike lanes here, cycle lanes. Now we're here, got a little retail park down here. Let's get a tour of that as well. Got Curry's. What else have we got? We've got Halfords as well. What we'll do, start heading back now. Just get a vertical shot of here. And we'll do, just go sideways, let's get a sideways shot of this area. Why are you going so slow? Because of the wind. Let's go to the area down there. Go down towards there, left side of the park. Look at that. Get a shot of this car down there.
What did your siblings get on the GCC?
Going at the same speed of the car. Because it's going slow, but our drone's going a little bit slower. We're going like 21 miles an hour anyway, which is kind of a decent speed, to be honest. Get a shot of this area down there. Let's go towards this area down there. Where else should we go? Let's go toward this area down there.
Bye. Good girl. Yeah, move.
This area now. I went all the way around. So keep the drone in shot. And now I'm here. So I'm going to just land there now. Get a nice shot in this area. It's quite windy now. Let's land it right here. It's a bit windy, but we got it. Anyway, that was my amazing drone flight here in Stepney Green in London Borough of Tower Hamlet.